Hi everyone, in this video, we will show how to transfer WhatsApp from one phone to another. Open WhatsApp and tap the Agree and Continue button. Enter your phone number and tap Next. If the number is correct, tap on Yes. It will send a verification code on the phone number. Enter this code to verify your phone number. To transfer the chats, tap on the Continue button. You can scan the QR code to transfer the chats. You have to wait a few seconds and it will start transferring the chats. You can use iCloud for the chat backup or restore. Go to the Settings tab and go to the Chats option. Select the transfer option like iPhone or Android. For demonstration, I choose Transfer Chats to iPhone. Tap on Start and scan a QR code from your old device. For security reasons, I'm not showing my screen. After scanning the code, it will start moving your chats to a new device. After completing the transfer, you can see all the chats. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.